So last topic that I will be sharing to you guys kung unsa na learn ani is about introduction to e-commerce ug social networks. So social networks in e-commerce have become a powerful duo in revolutionizing the way we shop. So sa presence ng Shopee, di ba, Lazada, Shein, Alibaba, daghan and many more sa TikTok shop, right? Na bisag sa TikTok na mas napadali nila ang pagpalit nato og mga goods and mga pag-purchase nato ng mga materials, things online. So social networks act as a digital marketplace, allowing brands to showcase products, target specific audiences through advertising, and directly connect with potential customers. So, engagement through reviews, influencer marketing, social commerce, features, meaning buying directly within the platform, fosters a community around products. So, driving brand awareness and sales. So, this integration benefits both consumers who gain access to a wider product variety, personalized recommendations, and convenient shopping experiences, and businesses who reach new customers, build brand loyalty, and gain valuable customers insights through social media interactions. So in other terms, kung i-laymanize nato, so mas dako og reach actually, especially for the local brands o kuan nga dira ra nakilaya sa isa ka dira ra dira ra nailhan sa isa ka place, so they can reach wider nga areas. So mas kuan pod in terms sa marketing, di ba, we can use online to advertise, to market our products. So overall, social networks and e-commerce, when strategically combined, create a powerful ecosystem that benefits both businesses and consumers. So, tanan ta actually ang mga business owners and the consumers kay maka-benefit ani, since, di ba, as previously mentioned, ang mga business owners, they can market their products bisag asa nga lugar mo abot, right? And the consumers, for convenience, di na sila kinahanglan mo adto og malls, mo adto og mga different shops to purchase the things they want. So, mao na to guys. Bye! That's all. Thank you!